Welcome to the instructions video for the Differential Pressure Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate pressure differences across fluid systems, including pipelines, filters, valves, and other flow-restricting components. It's essential for analyzing system performance and diagnosing flow issues. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter the upstream pressure, which is the pressure before your component or restriction point, and the downstream pressure, measured after the component. For example, let's enter an upstream pressure of 100 psi and a downstream pressure of 85 psi. You can select your preferred pressure units from the drop-down menu. The calculator will determine the differential pressure, HAT, which tells you the pressure drop across the system. This value is crucial for assessing filter condition, valve performance, and overall system efficiency. Higher differential pressures typically indicate increased flow restriction. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.